Good morning everyone. See here, today we will see the slope of a line passing through the points Q P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. See, the slope of a line passing through two given points P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 is given by m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. See, if two points they give, we will use formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. How the formula came, that we are today discussing. Difference of y coordinates upon difference of x coordinates. See now, the slope of a line passing through two given points p x1 y1 q x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This we have to prove now. So now here see, consider a line. Consider, you know this one. You know this. This is horizontal line, which is called x-axis, and vertical line, which is called y-axis. Both are intersecting at origin. Both are intersecting at origin. Now see, consider a line. Consider this line I am considering. This line I am considering. Consider a line. Consider a line passing through P and Q, where P is P x1 y1, Q x2 y2. Let theta be the inclination. See, it is making an angle with a positive direction of x-axis and anti-clockwise. So now see, let theta be the inclination. Consider a line passing through the points P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 and theta be the inclination. So now here you see, draw. See first what you do, x-axis, y-axis, intersecting point, and this line. It is P and Q points we do, where P is x1 y1, Q is x2 y2, and here see, here P is x1 y1, means this is y1 and here x1. From y-axis to each, how much far is there? x1 units far. Okay, so from x-axis to it is y1 units far. It is P x1 y1. Similarly, here see Q x2 y2. Okay, x2 y2 means this from y-axis to each point is x2 distance, x2 units, and here this is y2 units. x1 y1 means x1 y1, x2 y2, q is x2 y2. From x-axis to y2 units distance, from y-axis to x2 units distance, that you should know first. Okay, now see, here I draw PL. See here from the diagram, PL, which is perpendicular to which axis? X-axis, and QM, which is also perpendicular to x-axis. See, that will be PL perpendicular to x-axis, QM perpendicular to x-axis, and see here PN, and PN is what? How it is there? Then PN is perpendicular to QM. PN is perpendicular to QM. And the angle which we are taking here, theta. Here we get theta also, theta. So here, how QPN is theta? Means how QP, see, QPN is how theta we are saying. See, observe here, since this PN is there, PN, which is parallel to x-axis. Here you do inclination now. Then how it came here? QPN as theta, because this PN is parallel again I am explaining, listen carefully what we are proving today. Slope of 2 points, slope of a line passing through 2 points P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is a line passing through the points P and Q, and theta be the inclination. Theta be the inclination of positive direction of x-axis, and this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this line slope we are finding passing through points P and Q, where P is x1 y1, Q is x2 y2. So now here, then after that I draw PL. PL is perpendicular to x-axis and QM is perpendicular to x-axis, and this PN is perpendicular to QM, and we are writing here QPN as theta because this PN is parallel to x-axis. Now, so here we don't know gradient, slope, definition, we learn. Slope is representing with m letter. Tan theta equals to m. M is equals to tan theta. Slope is representing with letter m. Tan theta equals to m. From the triangle tan theta, from the trigonometry, what values will come into? See now, tan theta is equals to, for theta, it is opposite, okay, or perpendicular, means Qn upon Pn. Qn upon, see, tan theta equals to Qn upon Pn. But this Qn, how will become? If you subtract, see now, Qn, how will you get? Total Qm minus, see, total Qm minus Mn. Qm minus Nm. Then Pn. Pn is nothing but Nm. Pn is nothing but Nm. See, Qm minus Nm. See, Nm is nothing but PL. That you have to observe. How much M will be there? PL also same. So now here Qm minus Nm 0. Just now see Qn I want. Then total Qm minus Mn I will do. Then I will get Qn1. Then this Mn is nothing but PL. That's why we wrote Qm minus PL in the place of Nm we wrote PL. Now denominator, see here Pn is nothing but Lm. Then Lm how we know? OM minus OL. Then we will get Lm. So that is OM minus OL. Now come to our point. See now what is Qm? Just now we discussed. It is Y2. Minus. What is PL? Y1. Y2 minus Y1. Upon OM. What is OM? X2. OL. X1. Therefore, Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. It is nothing but M. Therefore, the slope of a line passing through the points P x1 y1, Q x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. The slope of a line passing through the two given points P x1 y1, Q x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1.